guys, it's Funky Friday again, and today I'm going to be showing you a very simple R&B fill in the key of C, and I'm going to be showing you two different places that you can play this. This is something you definitely should have. Now you're going to be starting by hitting your root at the 5th fret on the G string, then go on up to the barred first finger across the 3rd fret on the B and high E. So you're kind of getting this sus sound a little bit, that sus 9. Repeat that. Ending on the root, and then at the very end here you're going to hammer on to the major third, the E note there on the B string. So what you have all together is this. Again. And that's it. Very simple lick. Kind of gives you some nice color with that sus 9 type of sound from the D note and then resolving to the major third. Very standard kind of major fill. Okay, so that's where you would play it in the position of your A bar chord shape, and of course it's movable. Now if you're playing more in the position of your E bar chord shape, again we're still in C here, same exact lick, but it's going to look a little bit differently. Your root now you would play with your pinky, and you're going to be playing that kind of sus shape down here, and then hammer on to the major third there at the 9th fret on the G string. Okay, same exact sound, a little bit darker because you're on thicker strings. Okay, but that's basically the sound. Something you definitely should have in your bag. And of course you could, embellish it a little bit or change the timing, make it your own, by repeating different things. But it's really about that sus thing, resolving to the major third combined with the root. You can also hammer on and pull off. Okay, so kind of mess around with it, make it your own. So have fun with that one, guys. And don't forget, I do these Funky Fridays every week over at the membership at TastyGuitar.com, and it comes with interactive Soundslice tab as well. So be sure to check the description below. Thanks, guys, and I'll see you next time.